Hi moms, we are making mango pops today, and I've used it's a variation on actually a variation on sabudana vadas. So I have used 1:1 ratio of soaked sabudana and grated potatoes along with crushed peanuts, arm papper, salt, pepper, and chopped red peppers. So the ratio of sabudana, of course, with aloo is 1:1, and it's 2 tablespoons of peanuts for the crunch, and aam papad is homemade. So, and we have also, I have made a mango salsa along with it to for serving it. Now take a bowl and add the sabudana and the potatoes to it. All of it you can use, one bowl of sabudana and one bowl of grated potatoes, boiled ones. So we will now add other ingredients to it gradually. Peanuts, we will add peanuts now, then the peppers, the salt and the black pepper powder. We will leave the aam papad aside right now. We will just add all of it. Salt is of course up to your taste, because our the salsa that we are serving is quite spicy, and we'll mix all these ingredients and make a nice bring it to a nice binding so that we can form firm balls with it. Mix it well so that it comes out good. Now we will make small little balls with it, and make a hole, or press it from the center, an incision kind of a thing, so that we can place the aam papad in the center. See, like this, it will go in the middle, so that sweetness of the mango is there, and we'll make a nice little ball out of it, a pop that can go into the mouth, the perk. That's how it's mango pops. So see, the ball is ready, and we will make more balls out of this dough. So it gives us 1 cup of sabudana and potatoes gives us 6 balls approximately, and we will fry them now in hot oil. They should actually be put in the hot oil. First add one, and gradually you can add more. I don't like to put too many in one go, because the even frying doesn't happen then. So we will fry it nicely till it gets its golden color. See, they're nicely golden in color. So we'll take them out, and I haven't used a kitchen towel, and they're not oily at all. Now I've cut them from the center, see, so that it looks nice, and this is how it looks, a hole, and once I have cut, you can see the aam papad right in the center. So here's it is the final dish, your mango pops, and I hope you really like. Do try it. It's a lovely recipe. It's a variation on sabudana vadas, and as we Gujaratis really love to innovate, since we love food, and enjoy the dish. It can be eaten while fasting, while snacking, while partying, anytime. Enjoy the summer special mango pops. And yes, I haven't even introduced myself. I'm Shachi Jain. I'm a home chef, and I love to cook. It's a passion. You can take a look again.